in full honesty, we've historically not done an overwhelmingly great job when it comes to manufacturing. We've got the IFS, we've got a healthcare organization as well. We've set up a manufacturing group. We're naming it Manufacturing Hartford. We're leaning on Stanley Black & Decker and Marty to help us really understand who needs to be around the table. I can tell you that formerly UTC, now Raytheon Technologies, but our friends over at Pratt & Whitney, now Otis Elevator, have been tremendous partners in helping us really take what the manufacturing sector is here in Hartford and make it a bigger piece of who the Alliance is moving forward. It absolutely has to be. We have to give it the same gravitas as our insurance community. We have to get all the right players around the table to direct us. This isn't something that anybody on our staff directs or I direct. We have to listen to our companies. We have to have them tell us, here's what we need from you, here's how, and bring them around, again, the power to convene, to bring them around the table. We've got other organizations like CBIA, we've got the ACM, we've got lots of great organizations that are helping the local community. But what we don't necessarily have is somebody out marketing that.
Amen to that, David.